In this video, I'm going to show you the process of opening a Lloyds bank account online, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's begin. First of all, open your web browser and head to the official Lloyds Bank website at lloydsbank.com. Now scroll down until you find current accounts. On this page you'll see various account options including the classic account, Club Lloyds, silver account and platinum account. Each account has its unique feature and you can read the description to decide which one suits your needs. For this demonstration, select the classic account. Next, click on the Ready to Apply button. At this point, you'll see three options here. One for new customers, one for the existing customers, and one for opening a joint account. If you're a new customer, select Apply Now. This will take you to the specific page where you'll find the Ready to Open a Classic Account button. Then click on Continue. Now you can either continue on your mobile by scanning the provided QR code, as they might ask for a picture of your ID to verify your identity. Alternatively, you can proceed on your PC or laptop, which is what I'm going to show you. You'll be asked whether you are an existing customer or not. In my case, I'll select No. Then we'll be asked if you already have a UK current account. So you just have to select Yes or Not, in according with your situation. Then you'll be prompted to confirm if this will be your main account, to which I will answer yes. Click on the Continue button and you will need to provide your first and last name, gender, date of birth, phone number and other required information. Once you have filled in all the necessary details, you'll be well on your way to successfully opening your account. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.